Hello everybody, I am a brand new YouTuber. I just started this world. I just collected 10 poppies. Now I'm gonna go on a killing spree. Still haven't collected wood. I'm a noob. JK. Whee! Another poppy. Sorry, I just coughed. Whee! I'm not a noob. I've played this game for like a few years now. I'm gonna kill the dish, and then that's gonna be a real short episode, but first one. So sorry. I'm sorry for the beginning. It's always gonna be like that, probably. It's really quiet on that recording thing. So yeah, that's gonna happen a lot in almost all my videos. Ooh, zombie. Okay, the end. You're gonna watch me end this episode.